Login failed on ANZ Securities' app fix. You open the ANZ Securities app, ready to view your portfolio or place a trade, but suddenly you're hit with login failed. Don't worry. It might seem like a big problem, but the surprising truth is that it's almost always an easy fix. Let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. ANZ Securities requires a stable and secure connection to authenticate your login. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or briefly enable and disable airplane mode to refresh your signal. Next, check for app updates. Open your App Store or Google Play, search ANZ Securities, and tap Update if available. Running an older version can cause compatibility issues, especially after a recent security update. If you're still unable to log in, re-enter your credentials manually. Avoid using autofill since saved passwords might be outdated or incorrect. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it safely. Another key fix is clearing your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps and Security Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove temporary data that could be causing the problem. If you're using a VPN, disable it. ANZ Security System might block login attempts from masked or international IP addresses. Turning off your VPN can often restore access instantly. Still can't log in? Try using the ANZ Securities website. If the website also fails, it's likely a temporary server or maintenance issue on ANZ's end. Wait a few minutes before trying again. So, when the ANZ Securities app says login failed, don't panic. The fix is usually simple. Check your connection, update the app, re-enter your credentials, clear your cache, and turn off your VPN. You'll be back to trading and managing your investments with confidence in no time.